Want to add proxies to the Genlogin browser? You can do it in two ways: directly to a browser profile or by uploading a proxy list. Let's start with the browser profile method. On the left side menu, click Create Profile. Then, name it. For the proxy type, select your proxy. Next, from the drop-down pick a proxy protocol. We offer HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxies. Now, it's time to get your proxy details. You can choose any type. But today, I will use residential proxies. Head to our dashboard. Click on Residential Proxies and select Residential. In the Proxy Setup tab, click on Create User. Type in the username of your choice and hit Add. The password will be generated for you. You can also use IP whitelisting. Click on the Authentication drop-down list and select Add Whitelisted IP. Then, enter your current IP address and hit Add. Choose a preferred proxy user, location, session type, and output format. Here, you'll find the generated endpoints. Copy one and get back to Genlogin. Enter your proxy host, port, username, and password. Finally, hit Check Proxy to test the connection. If your proxy works, you'll see a new geolocation, IP address, and time zone. Configure the rest of the browser fingerprint like location, hardware, and cookies. Once ready, hit the Create Profile button. Now, let's try another integration method: uploading a proxy list. On the left side menu, click Proxy Manager. Then choose Add Proxy and hit the button under your proxy. To enter multiple endpoints at once, paste each in a new line. You can also assign a tag to the proxy list for future reference. Once all your endpoints are there, hit Add. To put proxies in action, head to the Create Profile tab, and for the proxy type, choose Gen Proxy. In the Proxy Manager dropdown, you'll see all your recently added proxies. Choose one and click Check Proxy. Again, you'll see your new geolocation, IP address, and time zone. That's all you need to configure proxies with Genlogin. Want to start anonymous browsing right away? Get residential proxies using the link in the description. For more proxy setup guides, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.